Always want to have extra fuel at your house in case there's ever an emergency. Oh, I think it comes on when there's about a gallon left. Might have to go get some more fuel here pretty soon. Or 87, not 85. Oh well. Okay, so we're back out here in the garage. It is like 95 degrees out here in central Illinois right now. I had to go buy another air conditioner for the other side of the garage. I've got 3 air conditioners in here now. This tank has sat for over 48 hours, and we've got real lucky there's no leaks. So the one thing I will tell you is if you flip the tank upside down and you do the process of replacing the fuel pump or whatever you're going to do, the 2 black lines that are hooked up to the fuel tank, they're probably going to leak. And those are your vents. If you go to my video playlist in the link below, from when I pulled the tank, you'll see the 2 hoses that are the vents that go up to the top of the cap. So if you overfill this tank when you're at the gas pump, there's 2 holes that will release fuel through these 2 black lines out of the bike, so there's enough air gap inside the tank so the tank can basically pump into the motorcycle. So I got really lucky on this that this sealed. So I'll go ahead and lift this up and get this put on the bike, and we'll just go from there. There's a little bit of fuel in this thing. I'll squeeze by the camera. Gotta love these plastic gas tanks. Just kinda. Well, we'll just set it there for now. What we want to do right now is get our tank inside the grooves to get our bolt put in there for our pivot. Well, crap. Now you'll have to probably finagle this a little bit to get our bolt put in. There we go. Get our nut put on. I think they was 10s. And we'll just tighten this up. Wow. What we'll want to do is reconnect our fuel line there. Then this hose, if I remember right, needs to run through the throttle bodies here. There's just barely enough clearance for this stuff. Then we've got our, I should have ran this wire before. This is our fuel pump power wire. I'm gonna have to fish it all the way up here. finished up. Like so, and plugged in. You see there, I don't know if you could see that, you've got your blue wire, and on the harness there'll be a blue wire. You've got your green, orange, and then blue, green, orange, blue. I'll get that set back in there right. Now there's overflow tubes on this battery tray. We are going to plug these in to dump these on the outside of the bike so it doesn't go right on the header like so. Okay, so these tubes here for the overflow for the vent go down in the battery tray there. I did it wrong. I probably should have plugged them in first. Okay, so we got everything hooked up here. I'm going to go ahead and lower this tank, and I'm screwing this tank in. Sometimes when the tanks on these plastic tanks go forward, they're going to hit the forks. So you've got to kind of press them in. Man, it's hot out here. To get them to clear the triple tree. This is the gas tank bracket, and I think over the years of this being plastic and stuff, that it has actually went back and forth. So I'm gonna, look how hot it is. My hands are sweating down my arm from this glove. That's crazy. I'm gonna indent this a little more so we can push this bracket just back a little bit enough to clear the triple trees. I think this is expanded is what's happened. So I think that would solve the problem if we can move it back just a little bit. That way, with this tightened down here on the tank, if we push and we push and we push and we on this plastic tank, what's to say that these inserts for the 8mm aren't going to create a leak? These things could willy waller in the plastic, and I don't know if it's open or not here. It could actually cause a leak. So I'm just gonna modify this a little bit. That should do it. Look how much we just gained, just a little bit, and that's all that basically we need to clear. See if that's going to work. Yep, that's going to allow, yep, that'll work. Just need to move it back a little bit. What we'll do is we won't tighten it up. We'll go ahead and see if it'll go down now. You can see here where it's, maybe you can't see. I don't know if you could see where it's totally nicked the triple tree. Nope, see, it's still hitting. It ain't as bad as it was though. Just by notching that, it's so much closer here, and it'll just go right down like so. Ain't that crazy? I hope that helps one person. If that helps one person, I'll be really happy about that. We'll go ahead and put our new metal inserts in here. There we go. What we want to do now is just restart this thing. I don't think there's enough fuel in there for that gas light. Later, bitches.